The Janome 8077 is a perfect all-purpose sewing machine. There are 30 built-in stitches. The recommended foot is clearly marked by the picture of each stitch. The 8077 has a top drop-in bobbin, a start-stop button which allows you to sew without the foot control, a locking stitch, and needle up, needle down. It even has a built-in needle threader. There are 5 one-step buttonholes included on the 8077. Get yours today at Ken's Sewing, Muscle Shoals, Alabama. When you select your stitch, it will appear on the LCD screen. You can use the plus and minus buttons to change the width and length. There is a nice variety of utility stitches, 3 styles of overcast stitches, as well as 2 blind hems for woven fabrics and knits, 6 one-step buttonhole styles, darning, as well as a bar tack. There are decorative stitches for heirloom sewing and a nice blanket stitch for applique. Simply touch the Start-Stop button to sew without the foot control. Touch and hold the reverse button to back tack. Touch the auto lock to knot off. Use this button to raise and lower the needle and to set the machine to end needle down. Simply move the slide from left to right to control the speed of the machine.